Hello to Dubai. Welcome to Dubai.
So let's try this again then. Second time lucky, hopefully we're back at Heli Dubai to see if everything goes okay this time. No third time lucky, second time lucky. Yeah. So it's day 6 in Dubai, starting off with a helicopter. Just come to look at these boats. There's Al Jadaf anyway, that's my metro station stop over there. Yeah, so day 6 here in Dubai today, starting off with a helicopter we hope, and then tonight to the fountains and seeing Dubai at night, we'll do that today. Also, once this is finished and I've got back and had a shower and everything, I may go watch a movie in 4D, which obviously I can't take you with me, so yeah. Let's try. The office is right there. Let's try, well, helicopter flight. Let's go in and see if everything's alright. I've noticed the lass was here earlier and she was here yesterday as well, so she must have been put on the same flight as me. Let's give it a go. Here we go. Time for the flight then. Looks like it's actually happening today, thank God. Sorry, you go.
Thank you.
It's finally happening. 1 day later, but never mind.
Night is cold, but your heart's colder. I will wait for you. The glitch in your eyes pulled me under, but I will wait for you. There's nothing left for me to do than run and act myself a fool. No point in trusting anyone. Your eyes of diamonds keep me up with the thought that it could be this rough. No point in trusting anyone.
Okay, so I'm back in the same place I was stood yesterday when it got cancelled, but today it actually happened. Wow, how good was that? I'm back in the festival. I think I called it the fashion mall yesterday. It's actually the festival mall. I'm going to have a Starbucks and some breakfast. Yeah, the shops are only just opening. It's 10 AM, so I've had my helicopter flight all done before 10 AM. It's 5 to 10, so that was just brilliant, wasn't it? Oh wow. So on that video you saw Palm Jumeirah, you saw the islands of the world, Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Haram. Atlantis, the city centre, the fountains. I saw everything. That was brilliant. Phew, I still can't get over it. Yeah, I would definitely recommend that. If you come to Dubai, make sure you do a helicopter tour. It wasn't expensive. I think it was maybe £120. So it was a 12-minute flight, by the way. But yeah, I would highly recommend that. So my plans for today on day 6 is helicopter ride all done. What I'm off to do is have some breakfast. I think that's Starbucks now. Have some breakfast, go back to the room, have a shower, get changed, and then I'm off to go watch a movie. I was going to watch one in 4D. The last one I watched in 4D was in Thailand, and it was Transformers, and the film was absolutely shocking. Oh, it was dreadful. And the only one they have in 4D here is Independence Day 2, and apparently that's worse than the first one. And to me, the first one was absolutely fucking shite. So I won't be watching 4D. They have IMAX, and the only thing they have on in IMAX is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the new one. So I might go watch that in IMAX. I quite like the first one. So yeah, if I go to the cinema, I won't take any cameras because there's no point, is there? I can't take you in with me, so I'll go to the cinema, watch a movie, and then come back. Probably go to the pool, chill out, and then we'll go to the mall tonight, but no mall. And we'll hit Dubai fountains, and we'll see downtown Dubai at night time. So that's the plans for today. So we'll do what we've got to do here, have some breakfast, and then we'll hit the cinema. And then I'll see you all later when we go to Burj Khalifa and the water fountains. I'm looking forward to seeing them at night because I've only seen them that once in the daytime and they looked really impressive. So at night lit up should be really good. So yeah, I'll see you all in a bit. To you, it'll be the click of the fingers. To me, it's about 6 hours. So I'll see you all in 6 hours, as in right now. See? Literally, a click of a finger. Anyway, it is now 6 PM. I've been to cinema. I wanted to try something different, so I tried the Turtles movie in IMAX, because that's all what was on. It was either that or Independence Day. It was pretty good, not as good as the first movie. Went in the pool, had a shower, had a shave, got my lip, oh, it stopped bleeding, cut my lip open. Yeah, so we're heading down, I think it's downtown they call it. We're off to the Burj Khalifa and the fountains. Hi. Hi. We go to Dubai Mall, please. Thank you. Welcome. Just to give you like a price, that journey took about 10 minutes on a Saturday at 6 o'clock, and it cost me 25 dirham. Well, it cost me 20 dirham, but I give them 5 dirham extra, which is £1, so that's £5. And I'm right, is it a Ferrari? Look at this. Are you ready? As I've said many times. Hi. See the sign on it? Please don't touch the car. Yep, this is outside Dubai Mall, exceptionally busy. Whistles everywhere. Horns going everywhere. Let's see what's down here then. I do know there's a Five Guys down here. I promise you I will not have a Five Guys. Shit! You just said that. Yeah, there's lots of restaurants down here, I think. But we shall try one of these. Lebanese? Nah, you're alright. just across from the ice rink, just over there. Food is here. You ready? Right, time to tuck him. Oh man, that was good. That chicken was, I don't know what it was cooked in, but it was really nice. Like crispy, but it had a taste as well. Mwah, so good. Hope you can see me. So it's about 20 minutes till the fountains come on. So I'll video that, and then we're going to go for a walk around this area if we can, all the way around. Why not? But yeah, the Burj Khalifa is right in front of me.
والله صورة بيش شوف انت ضويت صدره ها شو والله ما يدخل انا قلت له تعال هو كيف هو قالوا عشان
I am realising one thing, you know the other day when it was really busy, that's because it was the first day Ramadan finishing, they call it Eid I think, so that's why everyone was here. It's just like a celebration, they all go out, and that's obviously why it was absolutely heaving. I did know that, but I just thought it was like that all the time, but obviously not looking at tonight. I'd say it's not even a quarter as busy as it was then. Oh, that looks really good, doesn't it? It's just gone pure white as well, so let's just keep on that for a little bit.
कैसे बना हुआ तेरा? इधर भी तो पानी गिरेगा। खाना करके मत ले आप
I'm so fucking hot. Seriously, just waiting for this. Is just no humidity or anything. It's just so hot. It's worth it though. That was amazing, wasn't it, with the colours? I'm serious, I have never been this hot. Whew. I'm not hot. I'm not hot, you just sweat because there's no moisture in the air. See, look. The magic fountains in Dubai. that was the Dubai fountains. I was going to walk all the way around, I'm just too hot. So, you seen the Burj Khalifa at night? Brilliant. So let's go back inside the mall and it's time for a bit of ice cream, I think. Okay folks, I think we'll end day 6 here. Thanks a lot for watching everybody. We've done the helicopter ride, we've seen the fountains at night, I've been to the cinema. It's been a great day. Tomorrow I'm off to the beach, so let's go see what this water looks like, what I've heard lots of stuff about. Yeah, anyway, that's day 6 finished. Please give it a big thumbs up and comment and share if you can. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Loads more trips coming up this year and loads more to come from Dubai. So join me tomorrow for day 7 in Dubai. Thanks a lot everybody. Your support means the world. Thank you very much. See you all later.